Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make slime. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1/2 cup of white school glue, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Make sure your contact solution contains boric acid, as this is the key activator. Also, grab a mixing bowl, a spoon, and some measuring spoons. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the base for our fantastic slime. Carefully pour 1/2 cup of white school glue into your mixing bowl. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to the glue. It's crucial to stir these two ingredients together very well. Keep mixing until you can no longer see any baking soda clumps and the mixture is smooth and consistent. This step ensures an even activation later on. It's time for the magic to happen. Slowly add 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution to your glue and baking soda mixture. As you stir, you'll notice the slime starting to form and pull away from the sides of the bowl. Once it's mostly combined, take it out and begin kneading it with your hands. Continue kneading for about 5 to 10 minutes until the slime reaches your desired consistency and is no longer overly sticky. Now for the fun part, customization. You can add a few drops of food coloring to achieve your favorite shade, or sprinkle in some glitter for extra sparkle. For a delightful aroma, try adding a few drops of essential oil. Once your slime is perfect, store it in an airtight container. This will keep it fresh and pliable for several days, allowing you to enjoy your creation again and again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.